Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to share you 5 different vegan recipes that will help you to cut the dairy products from your diet. I have adopted this vegan lifestyle from last few weeks and I have experimented with different recipes and there are some successful endeavors. Keep watching. Why are you playing with soy? Why? You like to play with soy? Look at here and say. I have soaked the peanut overnight and it becomes like this. We are going to make the peanut milk. On the same line, I have also soaked the soya beans. These are beans available easily in the market.
मम्मा मम्मा इधर देखो क्या कर रही हो? What are you doing?
I'm making videos
Why?
because I love making videos.
I like making videos.
This is the soya chap that I bought for the substitute of paneer recipes on the weekends. I will be showing you recipe in the next video. For this video, I am going to make the peanut milk, the soya milk, tofu, and the peanut curd, and the residue of peanut curd and okra. I grind the peanut really well and I'm filtering it out with the clean cloth. If you have muslin cloth, you can use that as well. And from the cloth, it is getting filtered very easily and all the residue will be dried up. It will not have any milk residue. So you can see that the milk are getting filtered out and it's looking same as the cow milk. It taste is simply the peanut flavor. Obviously, it's made out of peanuts, so it will be peanut flavor. We will filter out all the milk and we'll keep the residue for the next recipe. This is the peanut milk, and we are going to heat it really well, like the milk, like the cow milk we are heating. And I am taking out some portion of it to set the peanut curd, the vegan curd. So this is what I'm trying, only small quantity, because I'm not very much sure it will set or not, or how it will taste. So I have taken only this small quantity, and the rest of the milk I will keep it boiled, and I will use it in my smoothie or something else. Here I am showing you the vinegar. This vinegar I am going to use it to make the tofu. I'm going to make first make the soy milk. The soy milk is on the same line. We have to grind the soya really well. We have to use lot of water because the soy is very thick when you grind it. You, make sure you have enough water in it so that you can filter it out easily. So this is the residue of the soya milk. We call it okra. This is very nutritious and fibrous. We will use it in our next recipe. And this is the peanut residue, peanut milk residue. You can see that the milk is really boiled and set to room temperature, and you is ready for the use. This is the peanut milk that I am going to set for the curd. I have the regular curd. I don't have the vegan curd starter, so I'm planning to buy it, but right now I'm trying to have with the normal curd. This is 2.5 liter soy milk. You can make it boil and you can keep it for later use, but also you can make tofu out of it. So I kept some part of it for the milk purpose and some part of it for the tofu purpose. So here I'm showing you. I have used the regular curd for setting up the peanut curd as well. If you have the vegan curd, you can uh, use that. Well, that is the best, but I didn't have the vegan curd starter, so I used the normal curd starter, and I covered the curd, and I will cover it with the cloth, another cloth. This is another piece of cloth that I have used to filter it out, and I will keep it at a dark place so that it set really well. This is the soy milk that I am going to show you. I'm going to add some flavors to it, so I added oregano, and I'm also adding some chili flakes, and I will add a salt in this soy milk to have some flavors in tofu. When you're going to try new recipes, if you're not sure that the blend test of tofu you will like it or not, and if you don't like, you will not be able to continue it further. So I added salt as well to make it a little interesting in taste. So I added these flavors, and the tofu will be really amazing. You will not find this kind of good quality tasty tofu in the market, so just try at home only. And use the vinegar, lemon juice, or the normal vinegar, whatever you have to make the tofu. Will curdle the soya milk, and tofu will come out like this. We'll filter it out with uh, spatula, whatever you have at home. Don't try to touch with the hand because it's very hot, and all the flavors that like this oregano or the chili will be filtered out by the clothes. So don't worry about the flavor will be remain the intact. We'll filter out all the tofu part, and we'll keep heavy weight on this one. This with the half kg of soybeans, I have taken out 3 to 400 gram of tofu, so that is really economical. You can try it out. If you buy from the market, it will cost you more than that. So here is our really amazing tofu. Taste very well, and it very easily replaced paneer in my home. We are the family who loves paneer in everything. We love paneer a lot, but this tofu has replaced that also. So you can imagine how tasty it was. This is really 300 to 400 gram of tofu. So I have kept half of it, and I'm using half for the recipe, like tofu kadai, or we are using paneer kadai, right? So we are using tofu kadai. It is 90% same as the taste of paneer. 10% you will feel like there is something different. So, but you can, if you want to accept the different taste, it will be really like amazing. So try it out and let me know how you find out. I'm going to show you the another recipe of okra, the residue of soy milk and the peanut in the next video. So stay tuned for the videos.